Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. We are doing keto recipes in my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make mohalabia in keto version. This mohalabia is very simple, very heavenly tasting recipe. This recipe I have did in my channel previously. Please click the I button so that you can watch the video and you can try this in your house. If you are in keto, you try this recipe which I am going to show you today. The ingredients for this mohalabia in my original recipe and this one also is very much minimal. You need only few items, then you are ready to start your preparation of mohalabia. So today we'll see how to make the simple yet heavenly delicious mohalabia in keto version. Now we'll see what and all the ingredients we need to make this mohalabia in keto. Here I have taken full fat cream, cooking cream. So I'm going to dilute this. I want it into a milk consistency. So this is 1 cup of my thick cream. Here I have taken half cup of stevia or whatever sweetener you are using for your keto diet, you can use it. Here I have taken like 3 tablespoons of orange blossom water. You can take rose water also. And here I have taken 3 to 4 grams of agar agar. And here I have taken some blueberries, raspberries and pistachios for garnishing. First we'll soak our agar agar for 10 minutes. Some water. Now let our agar agar soak for 10 minutes. By the time we'll convert our cream into milk and we'll boil the milk. Into a pan I'm taking our full fat cream. I'm diluting it with 1 cup of water. Now our milk is hot. I'm going to add our soaked agar agar. So in this 4 grams of agar agar, I'm going to use 3 grams of agar agar for this milk. I'm going to keep this 1 gram of agar agar aside. So I'll use this for our dressing. Now we'll mix it until our agar agar is dissolved completely in the milk. We'll keep on stirring it. Now our agar agar is melted completely. Now I'm going to add our sweetener. I'm going to save 2 tablespoons later. So for the 2 tablespoons of stevia I'll be using for topping or for the dressing I'll be using it. So just like 2 tablespoons of sugar I've kept it aside. Now we'll mix it completely. Let our sugar dissolve and let the milk boil for once. Our milk has come into a boil and you can see all the stevia or the sweetener is dissolved completely. Now I'm going to switch off the flame. Into this I'm going to add some orange blossom water. According to your taste you can add. The smell is so deep. So I have taken like 2 tablespoons of orange blossom water and give it a nice mix. Now we'll transfer this milk to the serving bowl. When it is hot itself we have to serve it. Now we'll wait for our mohalabia to cool down to room temperature. Then we'll refrigerate it for like 1 hour. Then we'll do our dressing to that. Now our mohalabia has come into room temperature. I'm going to refrigerate it for 1 hour and come back. Our mohalabia is in refrigerator for half an hour. So within that half an hour we'll make our dressings now. Here I have taken 6 raspberries, 3 for each, me and my husband. I'm going to crush it now into the mortar pestle. I'm going to use it. If you want, you can use it in a blender also. But I want some, I don't want the fine paste of this. I'm taking our agar-agar which was left, that is like 1 gram of agar-agar, along with the water. I'm going to add it to the pan. We'll wait for the water to come into a boil and the agar-agar to dissolve completely. Our agar-agar has melted 95%, just a few bits are remaining, it's okay. Now I'm going to add our sweetener. The remaining sweetener which I kept reserved it, I added it. Now we'll give it a nice mix. If you want to add rose water or orange blossom water to this, you can add. But today I want the taste of the raspberry into this, so I'm not going to add that essence. And now once our sugar is dissolved completely, I'm going to add our raspberry paste. And give it a mix. Just we'll wait for 1 minute, then we'll switch off the flame and let this mixture cool in the room temperature. After 2 minutes, our raspberry dressing is ready. We'll switch off the flame and wait until this get into room temperature. Then we'll do our dressing to a mohalabia. After 15 minutes, our raspberry dressing has cooled up completely. You can see it has formed into thick consistency. It's not yet chilled, so once we keep this in the refrigerator, even this will become like a thick consistency. Now I'm going to dress it into this mohalabia. Since I like the taste of raspberry, I'm using raspberry. Otherwise, you can use any keto-friendly fruits for this. Or simply you can enjoy your mohalabia, the milk pudding itself. After dressing our mohalabia with our raspberry dressing, now we have to keep this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes until it sets and get a thick consistency, and later we'll do our garnishing for this mohalabia and it's ready to enjoy. Now garnishing time. I have taken some desiccated coconut, After all the dressings and garnishings, our keto mohalabia is ready. Now it's time to taste our mohalabia. I'm very much eager to taste it actually. Who said who is in keto cannot enjoy the foods? This sweet is absolutely heaven, delicious. I think I need another bite. Before I finish this mohalabia, let me come back to you. If you like this video, I think you will like this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. For more interesting recipes regarding keto and normal recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. Well, I'll be posting lots of interesting and new recipes. We'll see you next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. Here I have taken 3 raspberries. Sorry. Sorry. So after 10 minutes from the refrigerator, we can after removing first line